Hello, YouTube. Today, I guess I'm going to review Rising Internet Security. Now, Rising, it's a company based in China, Beijing, China, I believe. They have offices in Beijing, Shanghai, Australia, and it's one of the largest antivirus companies in China. It has over 500 employees and it has over 10 million users. Now, let's install viruses and install Rising. See how this review will end up. I'll pause, I'll be right back. Oh boy. Looks like my system has been hijacked and well, I can't read this because it's all in gibberish, but you know what? I'm gonna make this review of trying to restore it. Let me see what I want. Probably wants email address, so let's. I don't know. Oh, it's all in gibberish. I can't read this. Wow, just one click, it can mess up your system forever. Wow. You know what? I'm going to try to rescue my system from this. I'm going to try to rescue it. So let me reboot the computer in safe mode, see if we can rescue it. I'll pause. Well, looks like we can't boot in safe mode. Looks like our system has been well, oh, I think it's like some sort of number they want like us to call or text, and they can probably give some random code to enter. You know, like our system from whatever. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to boot a. Hmm. Let me think for a minute. What can we do? Okay. I'm going to grab one of my favorite disks, bootable disks, and I'm going to try to restore the system to a. Yeah, I'm going to try to restore the system. I'll pause. I'll be right back. Okay, I grabbed the F-Secure rescue disk. I'm going to try to load that, so let's hit enter. Yeah, I probably could see some of my stuff in the background, so hold on just one second. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, looks like we had to plug in a cable because I'm using this computer's wireless, so let me plug in a cable into my internet cable into my computer. Here we go. This is pretty weird, but looks like this review got a little bit interesting. You know, I probably will pause it while something's going on. I'll be right back. Now, I know for a fact that the F-Secure rescue disk doesn't clean up all the threats, but it cleans up most of the threats. I mean, well, I used it once, one of my clients, but it haven't failed me yet. Okay, looks like it's up to date. I'm still waiting for something to happen, so I'm just going to like ignore it. I'm going to start recording. If something interesting happens, I'm going to start recording again. So yeah, copyright, F-Secure Corporation. Well, yeah, but, I am one of the partners of F-Secure, so I mean they are watching all my reviews. Okay, let's see. F-Secure license. Maybe we should move this like in the middle because yeah, let's move it like this way a little. We're probably going to head next. I accept. We're going to scan master data recovery of all drivers. Master boot recovery of all drivers. You know, we're going to try this one first. If this one doesn't work, we're going to try the other one. and it's scanning. It's pretty cool. Okay, let me try to deactivate my mouse. See right here, it shows how many things it scans and malware, how many malware it finds, and at the end, it's probably going to like ask me to clean or do whatever, or quarantine or clean. So I hope it finds a threat. If it does not, I would say this review had failed. And I probably had to run a bootable boot CD or whatever. Yeah, I'll pause. Okay, it's finished scanning. Looks like the database version is out of date. Probably that's why you have to probably grab the latest version. So I will probably have to click scan again, and this time I'm probably hmm, well, it is updating, so it's good. So up to date, so we should be good to go. So I don't know what's going on there. Hold on, I'll pause. Wow, looks like FCQ had failed and I had to go to plan B. Plan B is Avira, and right now I'm scanning with Avira and I found 9 threats. 9 threats, and hopefully it's going to clean up this computer because I wanted to review Rising. Looks like it turned into a how-to video, how to get back your system if it's hijacked or taken over by a hacker, some asshole from Russia or China or whatever they're from. So, yep, that's the video. Well, I start recording at 1 o'clock. It's already like 7. It's probably one of my longest review ever. Well, not really. I had a longer. Alright, I guess I'll pause. And I'll be back when it's finished scanning. And yep, I'll be back. Now, in a future video, I will show you how to get your own rescue disk, how to download and get your own rescue CD. It's really simple. All you need is the proper tools and well, you need three things: a DVD, empty DVD, or empty CD, or a USB thumb drive. Well, also you need like a DVD burner or CD burner to like. That's the other thing you need to like to burn the ISO to the CD. CD or DVD. It doesn't matter which one. Or you can put it on the on the USB drive or thumb drive or whatever you have. Me personally, I like to put stuff on usually DVD or CD because I kind of fear like that if I put something on my USB drive that I have on my house keys, I fear it's gonna be infected. So usually I just pop a disk in, but it's up to you what you use. You can use whatever you want. But I like the new Kaspersky, the new one. It actually scans your disk. Like I'm testing it out on my computer. It scans your on one of my computers. It scans your whatever you pop in. It scans. It's really awesome. I probably will do a review of it in the future. Or I'll pause and I'll be right back. Okay, looks like it's finished scanning. Oops. Yeah, it's finished scanning. Start scanner, stop scanner. What do we do now? What do we do? Hold on. I have problem with my mouse. Information. Configure. Hold on, I'll be right back.